Good morning students. In previous video we have completed our exercise 3.4 and we have completed our third chapter. In this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is the chapter 4, that is related to cubes and cube roots. First, what is cubes beta? What is cubes? A number is multiplied by 3 times itself, or a number is raised to power 3 is known as cube. Okay, like if I write here 1 cube means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. This is base and this is power. We also call it exponent or index also. हम पावर को एक्सपोनेंट भी बोल सकते हैं या इंडेक्स भी बोल सकते हैं. दिस इज बेस. ओके बेटा, हाउ वी रीड इट? 1 raised to power 3. If we write here a cube, it means is a into a. How we read it beta? A cube or a raised to power 3. Okay, so you will understand the meaning of cube beta. And cube root beta, cube root means like this is the symbol of square root. If 3 is written here, this is the symbol of cube root. Or we also write if any term with its power 1 by 3, then it means we have to given to be find out it's a cube root. Okay, so in this video what you are going to start cube and cube roots in your notebooks, and first you write and learn till 1 to 30. 1 to 30 you will write cubes. Okay, and you will see it from your book also. Then there are some properties of cubes. Properties of cubes. What are the properties of cubes beta? If we find the cube of a even number, then it is also even. That's your choice. If you find 8 cube, 512. If you find 12 cube, 12 cube is 1, 7 to 8, it is also even. If you find the cube of odd number, then your answer also comes odd. That's 7 cube, 343, and if you find 13 cube, that is 2197. Okay, and cube of a negative number is also negative. Cube is of a negative number. Cube of a negative number. Cube of a negative number is always negative. If you find minus 5 cube, then what is your answer? Minus 125. All these are the properties we have discussed of cube. Okay. One more property I will tell you here that for cube beta, अगर आपके पास में यूनिट डिजिट 0 है, देन इसके क्यूब में बेटा लास्ट डिजिट में हमारे पास में कितनी जीरोज होंगी? 3 जीरोज होंगी. अगर आपके पास में यहाँ 2 जीरोज है देन 6 हो जाएंगे, 3 होंगी देन 9. एंड इफ योर लास्ट डिजिट is 1, then its cube is always ends with 1. If your unit digit of 2, then its cube is always ends with 8. Unit digit is 3, then its cube is always ends with 7. 4, then its unit digit always ends with 4. 5, unit digit always ends of its cube 5. 6, its cube is also ends with 6. 7, its cube always ends with 3. 8, its cube always ends with 2. 9, its cube always ends with 9. And for 0 I already explained first. बेटा देखो 1 के क्यूब में हमारे पास में 1 से एंड होगा, और 4 का क्यूब भी 4 से एंड होगा, 5 का क्यूब 5 से, 6 का क्यूब 6 से, और 9 का क्यूब 9 से. 2 का क्यूब किससे एंड हो रहा है? 8 से. सो 8 का क्यूब भी किससे एंड होगा? 2 से. 3 का क्यूब किससे एंड हो रहा है हमारे पास में? 7 से. तो 7 का क्यूब भी हमारे पास में किससे एंड होगा? 3 से. मींस 3, 7 and 2, 8 interchange in the unit digit remaining unchanged. Remaining means same. Okay, so you will find beta next. Next is how you find the cube. I will tell you one method to find the cube beta. That is, I will tell you, that is, if you find 23 cube, आपको 23 का क्यूब फाइंड आउट करना है. कैसे फाइंड आउट करें? ओके, आई विल टेल हियर बेटा. दिस मेथड आई विल टेल हियर फॉर 11 to 99, for 2 digit number, 10 to 99 also. But you know very well what is the cube of 10. Okay, here this is A and this is B. Column method I discussed already for square. Here for cube I going to tell this method beta. First we write A cube, at the end we write B cube, and here I write 3A square B, and here I write 3AB square always. These things keep in your mind. Okay, then 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 3A square B means 3 multiplied by 2 square 4, and B is 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, and here 3AB square, 3 into A is 2, B square, 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54. First we write beta this 7. Okay, and then this 2 add here, 54 plus 2 56. So 6 we write here. Okay, these 2 we write here in carry. So 54 plus 2 56. Then carry left, 54 plus 2 beta 56. Then carry right 5. Then this 5 we add in 36. 36 plus 5 41. 1 we write here. Then 4. 8 plus 4 12. So 1 2 1 6. 1 2 1 6 7 is the cube of 23. I hope you understand well this method to find the cube. To find the cube beta. Next, next is there are some patterns for cube beta. Okay, what are the some patterns? I will tell here some patterns of cube like this. 1 cube, you know very well 1. But if you find 2 cube, then after 1 add 2 consecutive odd numbers. After 1 3 आता है odd number, and after 5. If we find 3 cube, then after 5 3 odd numbers you write. 7 plus 9 plus 11. And if you find 4 cube beta, then after 11 you will write 4 consecutive odd numbers. That is 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Like this. Okay, I hope you understand well. Okay, next. So all these things you will find, and you will solve all the examples before exercise 3.1. Before exercise 3.1, one more, sorry, before beta 4.1, sorry, before 4.1, one more method I am going to tell you. That is, if you one question comes in your exam like this, that is example beta 1 cube plus 2 cube 3 cube plus till it is given beta plus 10 cube, and evaluate. अगर आप बेटा क्यूब फाइंड आउट करके, अगर अपन फाइंड आउट करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर, 1 की क्यूब फाइंड आउट करते हैं, फिर 2 की क्यूब, फिर आफ्टर देन 3 क्यूब, देन 4 क्यूब, देन 5 क्यूब, देन 6 क्यूब, देन 7 क्यूब, देन 8 क्यूब, देन 9 क्यूब, देन 10 क्यूब, एंड 10 वी ऐड. बहुत लेंथी प्रोसीजर है. शॉर्टकट में अपन कैसे करेंगे बेटा? फर्स्ट क्यूब वी टेक कॉमन. we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus and 10. And you know very well, if we add 1 to 10, answer comes 55 and 55 क्यूब. तो सिर्फ आपको एक ही नंबर की क्यूब फाइंड आउट करनी हुई और यहाँ आपको कितने नंबर्स की क्यूब फाइंड आउट करनी थी? कितने नंबर्स की क्यूब? 10. और फिर उनको क्या करना पड़ता? प्लस. सो इट इज इजी. सो यू नो वेरी वेल. sorry beta, here we find its square. Here we find its square, not cube. Here we find its square. And you know very well, the square of 55, 5 square is 25. After what comes? 5 6 are 30. This rule I already told in the topic of squares. Okay, I hope you understand well beta, and if you are facing any doubt, then you will ask from me and you may be see from your book also. If it is given beta that whether a given number is a perfect cube or not, whether a given number is a perfect cube or not, what we find? To find a number is perfect cube or not beta, we factorize it, and if pair of 3 numbers, then it is a perfect cube. In square beta we make the pair of 2 digit, but in cubes we make the pair of 3 digit. Like this, if in question comes 1188, is this number is a perfect cube? First what we do? We factorize it. What we do? We factorize it. And in factorize beta, then what we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. अब हमारे पास में बेटा इसके ये पेयर तो फिनिश है, कंप्लीट 3 का पेयर. Remaining one pair for 2 is left to make it is cube, perfect cube, and 2 pairs of 11 is left. So this number is not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. Okay, so I hope you understand well the basic of this exercise 4.1, and in next video we will discuss if any point is left in the basic of your exercise 4.1, and your exercise we will discuss in our next video. Thank you, have a nice day.